enjoyment. Intercontinental, monumental. We go live forever. Drop another bank out. The matter must be meta.
Yeah, we are out. We are out. We are out of the Champions League. We made it difficult, but the mission was impossible. The mission was impossible. It wasn't Mission Impossible 1, it wasn't Mission Impossible 2, it wasn't Tom Cruise. This was the real impossible. Mission Impossible. Bafethu, Orlando Pirates are out. We won 3-0, but we are out. I'm deflated, Bafethu. I'm deflated. I am deflated. Let's get to the gritty nut. Pause. Muremi, what are you doing? What are you doing? Ufunani kuleya situation? You were not supposed to be in that situation. Namtajela, experience. When I'm talking about experience, mental experience. Namanja Matic, Masindi Namanja Matic. You know, my baller, player. You should have fallen down ngakhatha kuthinta ubuso ngobuso bakhe. Tafuna ukuncabuza ngabe uvela wathi ungazongicabuza wena when you fell down. I don't blame him. Yabona layout layout esitholisa uMoremi i-red card. That motherfucker, I hate that nigga. I don't remember his name, but well played. He went through our heads. Ule wangena la engqondweni yamajita. The fact that unamanja Matic, Masindi Matic didn't fall down, azange awe pants to the ground. I'm telling you, it was going to be a straight red card. Advantage Orlando Pirates. The score was 1-0. Are you telling me going into the second half la want to lava kate banyeke ba retreat ba 10 ba short? Let's talk about Absolom. Today he was fully back to his real name, Absolom. The starting lineup, you got it totally wrong. You got it totally wrong. I'm sorry, Wafit. You either play Umbutuma or you play Umabasa. Why are you going with a false 9? Why are we playing without a striker? Stinger 3 goals, you understand? Cool. We scored those 3 goals. We scored them. Should have started with an out-and-out striker, not a false 9. We were not dangerous until Masindi Namanya Matic scored that important first goal. Ukoring how many 42. Absolom. He got it absolutely wrong. He got it absolutely wrong. I was not in favor of seeing Master Chef no Masangwani no Tito in the same team. One should have been dropped. I'm sorry. Got it absolutely wrong, Absolom. The substitutions. Mbuthuma. Yeah, we changed the game Mbuthuma bafethu. But I'm sorry. Nah. You need 2 goals. You choose Mbuthuma over Umabasa. Are you kidding me? Mbuthuma over Umabasa. He doesn't even bring on Umabasa bafethu umuntu lo. He doesn't even bring on Umabasa. Why? What's wrong? Umbatha, where the hell is Talente? Where is Talente? Where is Talente? I'm not complaining about the midfield, by the way, but Talente. Type of game yakhe le. Where he is, box to box. We needed that. Masindi once again. Namanya Matic. What a finish! But you blew it when you didn't go down. You blew it. Experience counts sometimes. We've got the squad, but we have the mentality of experience. Do we have this thing? We are out of IKF Bafethu. We are out totally from semi-finalist to being out totally. Not even in a group stage. Laughing stock of tonight, Bafethu. Yeah, Mbuthuma over Umabasa. Got it absolutely wrong. The penalties, my penalty bafethu niyazi 50-50. I was, honestly speaking, I was not confident. I don't know why, but I was not confident. The moment Mbuthuma stepped up, washaya irani yakhe emuva, was set up, I was like, nah. It's gonna shut down his confidence. It's over for him in 2025. Mbuthuma, it's over for him unless he comes back next game and scores a hat-trick. It's over for Mbuthuma in 2025. I'm not saying career-wise, I'm saying mentality-wise. Confidence is gonna drop low because he missed the crucial penalty. We are out, Bafethu. We are out. My man of the match, Apolis. You deserve it, but you don't deserve to be in the losing team. And Moremi Bafethu, Moremi needs to be deducted ama-wages wakhe. Nomrholo awutholayo nje kumele awuthole half. Cost us. Le red card yakho is costly. I don't care what anyone says. Moremi has been on form. Then you do that in a crucial time. You do that. Anyway, people, I'm out. Please like the video, subscribe to your boy, comment down below. Yeah, Orlando Pirates are out of the CAF Champions League bafethu. The main focus has to be the league. I don't care. I'm funny my excuse. It's funny my excuse this season. The league should be the total focus. If we can't win the league, start all over again. Yeah, don't forget Bafethu, subscribe to your boy, comment down below, like the video. Yeah, I'm out.